Welcome to the future of packaging automation with KGK Jet. Watch our robot-assisted case forming, coding, and palletizing system in action. Engineered to minimize footprint while maximizing operational efficiency, every movement is perfectly synchronized for error-free and high-speed production environments. After case forming, print directly on the box with the KGK Jet Advanced HQ8500 Drop-on-Demand Inkjet system, ensuring precise, high-resolution coding on both sides of the box. Driven by our advanced CIJ capabilities, we also offer specialized stealth CIJ inks for anti-counterfeiting, brand security, and absolute traceability. All our inks are proudly manufactured in-house, ensuring unmatched quality control, optimal formulation, and seamless printer performance. Simultaneously, industrial labeling modules apply labels on the top surface seamlessly. The robotic arm handles printing on the shorter sides of the box with extreme precision. Fast, reliable, and continuous material handling built for heavy-duty manufacturing. With KGK Jet, you can even print directly onto the tape and the carton box as the box is sealed. This allows you to print dynamic codes, logos, or customized messages on the fly. Print exactly what you need, when you need it, powered by our custom-made, quick-drying inks, drastically reducing pre-printed inventory and waste. Our integrated print examiner PK500 immediately verifies the code quality for zero defects, ensuring 100% compliance and flawless readability every single time. From large graphics to sharp 2D barcodes, our high-resolution DOD and quick CIJ printers deliver exceptionally crisp results. Securing your supply chain with invisible, tamper-proof security marks. KGK Jet, your ultimate partner for end-to-end industrial coding solutions.